Did you know that trademarks are assets that can be bought and sold? And that it's free to change ownership on the IPONZ website from one legal entity to another? Well, it's all true. What if you own a trademark but change your name? Great question. That's not actually considered a change of ownership because the same entity owns the mark. You just need to change the name on the client record. If your business has merged or changed its type of business structure, that usually requires a change of ownership. A good check is if your company number or NZBN is different, then it means there is a change of ownership required. So, let's say it is a change of ownership, not a name change. What happens then? You'll need a RealMe login and you'll need to be registered on the IPONZ website too. Plus, you'll need a legal document as proof of the change of ownership. This could be a deed of assignment or a sale and purchase agreement. Whatever document you choose must contain the names and signatures of both parties to the transaction, and the date on which the assignment or transmission took effect. It should also include contact details for both parties and the terms of agreement or sale. If neither types of document is applicable, you may submit a statutory declaration stating that the trademark is owned by a proprietor who is different from the registered owner or the applicant. Once you've got your legal documents or declaration ready, log into the IPONZ website. Find the trademark section on the left of your screen and head to the trademark change request page. Under Change Owner, click the Select Case for Assignment button. You should see the Search for a Trademark page. Select the mark you're changing ownership of. From there, you should see a change of ownership form. Next, you'll enter a client reference, which can be anything you want. Cool. Let's select the option that applies to you. Option 1, the owner or new owner. This option will list you as the new owner of the case. If you have more than one user record, your default client will be listed here. You can select the correct new owner by clicking the Remove button, then searching for the correct new owner. See our Becoming a Registered User video for more information on default clients. Option 2, acting on behalf of the owner. An agent is anyone authorized to act on behalf of the owner of the trademark. Agents may be lawyers or intellectual property experts hired for the job, or a friend helping out. You don't need any formal qualifications to act as an agent. This option will allow you to complete the transfer of the case to a new owner and will list you as the new agent for the case. You'll need to search for the new owner of the trademark. Option 3, acting on behalf of the owner for this request only. This option will allow you to transfer the case to a new owner, but it won't list you as the new agent for the case. You'll need to search for the new owner for the trademark. Keep in mind that you'll need proof that you've been authorized to make this change with a signed agreement between you and the owner. If this case has an existing agent, this agent will be kept and your documentation should include a new signed agreement between the new owner and this existing agent as well. We recommend our template agent authorization form be filled out for this purpose. For a PDF copy of this form, follow the link on the learning summary. Okay, so you've selected the best option for you. Add all the documents you need to support your request. It might be in the form of a sales and purchase agreement or proof of merger of companies. Once you've done that, you're ready to hit submit. The change of ownership will be sent to the examiner of the mark, who will have 15 working days to complete the request. It will either be validated and accepted or refused. If it is refused, they'll let you know why and you can submit a new request. If the request is urgent, make sure you have your case number handy and give IPONZ a call so we can ask the examiner to speed up the request. Still have questions? The Intellectual Property Office of New Zealand is open between 8:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. For less urgent matters, you can head to the Contact Us page on the IPONZ website. We should be in touch within 7 working days. The Contact Us page also has a common queries section, so be sure to check this out in case it addresses your question or concern.